This is my review for PawSono. So it's an ear finger wipe and it's good for dogs and cats. So this is how it looks. I usually like to use when it's not too dirty. My doggy, I usually do one side for each ear. This is how it looks. It has an aloe scent that is really good, and it's also very hygienic and important to keep your dog's ears clean as much as possible. So I want to grab my dog and I want to expose his ears like this, and then I'm just wiping it off gently. He doesn't like it, but you see, I'm grabbing dirt and dust and other things that it can go in the ears. I just have to be very gentle. But also another the good thing about these wipes is that they have aloe. So with the aloe, as you can see here, if you need to use another one, you can. Sometimes when his ears are not too dirty, I just use one. In this case, I may have to use two. But you see, it's all I'm doing. You don't need to put extra liquids or anything like that, just wiping it off, giving it a nice clean ears to my doggy. And this is great also after the shower. So this is all you have to do. Thank you for watching.